Music is great in its ability to set the mood. Some music will make you want to rope cattle. Howdy, partner. While other music will put you in the mood to dance like a Latin lion. But there should also be songs to get us in the mood to clean with confidence. Earbuds are essential when trying to accomplish this feat. Waxy earbuds, however, can sabotage sound and turn melody to madness. And so today I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds to ensure that you never again have to wrestle with wax. So cleaning your earbuds is actually very simple. A little too simple, actually. We're not going to use any kind of liquids, no rubbing alcohol, no dish soap, nothing like that. Nothing wet and liquidy that would get inside and damage the innards, because we are dealing with electronics after all. What we're going to use is this stuff, blue tack. You can buy it at Walmart for a couple bucks. If you don't live close to a Walmart, I will leave this product listed and linked down below. But this is the stuff we're going to use to clean our earbuds. Allow me to demonstrate. Alright, so this is the earbud we're going to clean, and as you can see, the earwax is built up inside of it. So you're going to pull you off a little piece of your blue tack here. The stuff is very, very sticky. And you're going to take your blue tack and you're going to just stick it in there. The wax is going to stick to the blue tack, so you don't have to use any kind of liquid. See that? It's right there on the blue tack, the wax. Boom. You want to touch it up some. Look at that now. Clean as a whistle. Here's another earbud, and as you can see, it has a slew of wax inside of it. Take our blue tack. Look at that right there. Coming right out. Getting another little piece of blue tack. We're getting there, we're getting there. Boom, just like that. So much better, so much better. So that is it, guys. That's how to clean your earbuds. Thanks so much for checking out the video. If you liked it and found it valuable, give it a big clean with confidence thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more great content. And until next time, implement the steps I've outlined in this video, and you will be well on your way to becoming the domesticated cleaning savage that I know you are.